Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. 4 months, it's been Nvidia, the undisputed king of the AI chip market. But what if I told you there's another AI stock that might actually offer more upside? I know, it sounds crazy, but hear me out. An article recently dropped suggesting that maybe, just maybe, we should be looking beyond Nvidia and considering Palantir. Is this heresy? Are we about to commit a cardinal sin of investing? Let's break it down. The question isn't whether Nvidia is a good company. It is. The question is it the best AI investment for your portfolio's future? That's what we're tackling today. The core argument is simple. Nvidia makes the shovels for the AI gold rush. Palantir is building the operating system that runs the entire mine. They're not just selling chips, they're selling solutions. They're helping businesses and governments actually use AI to solve real-world problems. Think about that for a second. Is Nvidia still the only game in town? What if Palantir is just the beginning of a new era? Let's start with the immediate impact. First, Nvidia. Will this article cause a massive sell-off? Unlikely, but it might introduce a little doubt. Investors who were blindly buying Nvidia at every dip might start to question things. They might become more sensitive to news about competitors, about alternative AI solutions. Nvidia might feel a slight increase in pressure to keep innovating and maintain its dominance. They might have to work a little harder on their PR to reinforce their narrative. Think of it like this. The undisputed champion now has a contender. What if investors started to look at Palantir stock, and suddenly this stock has a price increase? It might gain increased visibility, and more average investors who may not have been familiar with the company before might start taking a look. But now Palantir will face heightened expectations to maintain its growth trajectory and deliver on its promise of becoming the operating system for AI. This isn't just about Nvidia and Palantir. This news has a ripple effect across the entire AI landscape. Think about Nvidia's competitors, like AMD and Intel. They're going to face increased scrutiny as investors compare their potential with Nvidia and even with emerging AI platform providers like Palantir. We might see some investment shift from pure-play hardware companies to companies offering these AI platforms and solutions. Palantir's success, if it continues, validates the idea that AI platforms providing practical applications are crucial for widespread AI adoption. This could attract even more investment into this sector. But that also means increased competition. Existing AI platform companies and new entrants are going to face a much hotter market. Don't forget about data analytics and consulting firms. These companies might start seeking partnerships with Palantir to integrate its AI platform into their services. Some data analytics firms might even feel pressure to develop their own AI capabilities to compete. And what about the cloud computing giants like AWS, Azure, and GCP? As more companies adopt AI platforms like Palantir, demand for cloud computing resources is going to skyrocket. These cloud providers might even try to integrate Palantir's platform into their offerings to provide more comprehensive AI solutions. This is a full-blown ecosystem shift. Now, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. If Palantir succeeds in making AI more accessible and practical for businesses, we could see increased efficiency, productivity, and cost savings across various industries. But there's also a potential downside. Increased automation through AI could lead to job displacement in some sectors, requiring workforce retraining and adaptation. It is a double-edged sword. The AI revolution, driven by companies like Nvidia and Palantir, could spur innovation, create new businesses, and drive economic growth. Increased investment in AI and related technologies could lead to job creation in the tech sector and supporting industries. It has some serious implications for the economy. And let's not forget the geopolitical implications. The competition between U.S. companies like Nvidia and Palantir and companies from other countries, like China's DeepSeek, could shape the future of technological leadership. Palantir's focus on government and defense applications also raises questions about data privacy, security, and the ethical use of AI in these sensitive areas. This isn't just about making money. It's about national security and global power. Will Nvidia continue being the powerhouse? What if the U.S. government imposes export restrictions on certain Nvidia GPUs? This could limit Nvidia's ability to sell its most advanced products to certain markets like China, impacting revenue. Widespread use of AI platforms raises concerns about potential bias in algorithms. We need fairness and transparency in AI decision-making. Increased data collection and analysis by AI platforms raises concerns about data privacy. We need strong data protection regulations. The increasing demand for AI skills will require significant investments in education and training to bridge the skill gap and prepare the workforce for the future. AI will likely change the nature of many jobs, requiring workers to adapt to new roles and responsibilities. Are you ready for the AI revolution? Okay, let's talk risks. With Nvidia, the biggest risk is competition. What if someone develops more efficient AI models that require less computing power? The DeepSeek example suggests that other companies, particularly in China, might achieve similar AI capabilities using fewer Nvidia GPUs. That could seriously reduce demand for Nvidia's products. There's also the risk of Nvidia's stock being overvalued. A 20% drop from recent highs suggests some investors are already questioning the current valuation. If Nvidia's growth doesn't meet those sky-high expectations, the stock could fall further. Let's not forget the geopolitical risk. The rivalry between the US and China could create uncertainty for Nvidia's business relationships and market access in China. Is Nvidia really worth the risk? What about Palantir? Well, integrating their platform into existing systems can be complex and challenging for organizations. The AI software market is becoming increasingly crowded. Palantir faces competition from established tech giants like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google, as well as smaller, specialized AI companies. Maintaining the high growth rate of customer acquisition, which was 43% in the last quarter, may be difficult as the company gets larger. And of course, there's the ethical risk. Palantir's AI platform handles sensitive organizational data. Data privacy concerns are an inherent risk. The platform's AI algorithms could potentially exhibit biases that lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Can Palantir overcome these challenges? The article questions the accuracy of DeepSeek's claims regarding computing power used. The author expresses skepticism about information coming from China, highlighting the geopolitical rivalry between the US and China. This suggests that business relationships and market access in China might be uncertain for Nvidia. Is this the truth? Or is this just propaganda? It's hard to know for sure. This is why you should always be skeptical. You need to consider the source. So, should you ditch Nvidia and buy Palantir instead? Absolutely not. At least, not entirely. The key takeaway here is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, even if that basket is filled with Nvidia chips. Palantir offers a different, but equally compelling, way to play the AI boom. Consider allocating a portion of your portfolio to Palantir or other promising AI platform companies. Remember, this is not investment advice. Do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any decisions. The AI revolution is just getting started. The question is, how will you profit from it? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you buying Palantir? Or are you sticking with Nvidia? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.